Pas de soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil, la-la-la. Pas de soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil, la-la-la.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I create this beautiful look, as you can see. So this look specially for Valentine Day, and for this look I am only using K Beauty products. So I want to try makeup products from K Beauty, Korean beauty products from YesStyle. So I bought it some. So first let's check the products. These are the products I bought from YesStyle. For the beginning of your makeup journey, you just need basic things. So I try to make this packet which you can try. These all are affordable products. I will share my reward code in description box below. When you will apply that, you will get discounts. So check it out guys, and I will also mention every product's name and links on my description box below. So don't forget to go through that. This is the first product I bought. It's an eyebrow pencil. This pencil is easy to use. You can make thin and thick strokes. This is the black brown color and also has a brush on the other side. So it's easy to use and very pigmented. My hair and eyebrows are dark brown to black. So this color mattes perfectly without being too dark and too brown. Next is this BB cream foundation. I bought natural base for my skin, and it gives you a flawless look with healthy glow skin. It has UV protection and also 6.5 PAs, so it's perfectly for daily use. So this is the best cushion product I ever use. You just need one foundation, so choose one BB cream or one cushion compact. This would be enough for you. I love the packaging. This is a sponge. I already used these products before making this video because I don't want to tell you about any products which I don't like. This compact cushion gives the skin perfect coverage and a flawless base. It covers almost everything in your face, starting from pores, pigmented areas, acne, and also dark circles, and refresh your skin color. It has SPF 50 formula, so which offers sun protection to prevent your skin tanning and premature aging, and also it has silica pearl powder. It helps regulate sweat and 7 hours of protection. Also it has bamboo water and fruit extract, help to retain moisturize your skin. Next I bought this eyeshadow palette. I just love these shimmery colors. All colors are very pigmented, and these colors you can use as a bronzer and highlighter too. This is mascara and eyeliner pen. This is waterproof eyeliner and I started to use it already, and this mascara gives volume to your eyelashes. This is a very light watery tint, gives you glossy moisturized red lips. I totally love this gloss. This is a blush with a very pretty peach color. It has a little bit shimmer too and very pigmented color. I am creating this look for upcoming Valentine Day, but you can absolutely carry this look to any party, wedding, dates. So hope this video will help you to learn something. So hope you love this video, and let's get started. I already washed my face. Now I am using this mist from series. I love this product especially because it is easy to use, Shake it well, then you just need to spray it and wait for a little bit. I took a cotton and just dab it in my face, then it will remove extra mist from your skin. I am using this Trendita primer oil and I took a few drops and applied on my T-zone. Wait a little bit. Now I am using this baby cream. I take a little bit on my hand, mix it well and make dots on my face and neck. Now blend it out with a wet sponge or a brush. Today I use this brush to blend my face and neck and also just brush the ears too. It covers almost everything in your face, starting from your pores, pigmentation areas and again dark circles as well. After using this, you don't need to apply any concealer separately. This is vegan and perfectly for all the skin types, and this has a UV protection. Now you can see it covers all my pigmented areas and dark circles. I think I don't need any concealer again. And also you can see the little amount of cream, it covers all my face, neck and ears too. Next time using this Best Cushion product, it's a compact. See, if you want to buy, then buy only one product, BB cream or compact cushion. You really don't need to buy both, so don't waste your money to buy both. I am applying here both because I want to show you how they work. To apply this compact, I am using this same spoon to take a just little bit of compact and blend it all over my face. Now you can really see the coverage. In camera it is showing too white, but in reality it looks really like natural skin, and also it looks like glass glowy skin. It's oily and really gives you moisturized skin. Highly recommend this product. Just look at my skin glow. Next, I just apply a little bit of powder in my under eyes and all over my eyes. First, I will draw my eyebrows. Brush them first, then draw the both outer lines. After that, brush them again and fill up all the gaps. Then I go for my eye makeup. I am using this shimmery eyeshadow palette from K-Beauty. It's Valentine's, so I will do red shimmery eyes. First, I will use this powdery palette and apply it all over my eyes like a base. Next, I take this peach color and apply it on my crease and blend it well. I did the same in the both eyes. Now I take this brown palette and apply it on my outer eyelid. I want to do smoky red eyes, so I apply and blend the same brown color until I get the dark color. Then with another small brush, I take this peach color and apply it on my inner eyelid. I take this clean brush and blend the lines to look smooth. Now again I apply a little bit of brown color on my outer eyelid and blend this well. Then I just highlighted my both eye corners with this creamy shimmery color. Now I am using this shimmery red color and just dab it on my outer eyelid. Just dab it, you don't need to blend this. Can you see this color? I really love this color. You can see how pigmented they are. I want to do smoky red eyes, so I apply and blend the same color until I get the dark color. Then I took this gold color and just dab it on my inner eyelid. I am using my ring finger. If you use your finger to do your eye makeup, then always use your ring finger because the pressure of the ring finger is enough to use it in the eyes. Now I smooth all the lines and odds with a clean brush. I had this beautiful false eyelash. Take this one and apply the glue. Wait for a few seconds and just place it on the middle of your eyelid first. Then adjust it with a tweezer. It's easy but you need to practice a lot. Now I am using this K-Beauty eyeliner pen. It is waterproof and I love this long brush. It makes it very easy to draw. For my under eyes, I am using the same brown brush and apply it on my outer corner. Now I am using this K-Beauty mascara and applying 2 layers on my upper eyelash and let it dry. It makes a really huge difference in my eyes. I am using my kajal and drawing the outer under eyes. I am also applying the same mascara on my under eyelash. Take a small brush and smudge it little bit. For contouring, I am using this brown palette to contour my face. With a contour brush, I took a little bit of this brown palette first, then apply it where I wanted to contour. Now it's a blush time and I am using this K-Beauty blush. I really love this shimmery peach color. When you do heavy eyes, don't apply pinkish blush because it will look very odd. Now I am applying this creamy white shimmery palette as my highlighter. I just dabbed on where I want to highlight my face using my finger. See, when you are just starting to learn makeup, you should just try to buy this kind of eyeshadow palettes which you can use in multiple ways. Then it will save your money. Lastly, I am using this watery light tint. This is amazing gloss, very long lasting too. And also I love this color. Smooth the lips with this lip liner and you are done. So that's it, my Valentine look is ready. I I hope this video will help you to get ready for your party too. So hope you like this video, and if you like it, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. And you can follow me on my Instagram page. Link is on my description box. Don't forget to go to that. And I'll see you on my next video. Till then, bye.